Hi guys, so I am starting the first part of our worm science page, and it's the worm vocabulary, and there's 2 pages. One that had all the worms information and one of the blank glue here. So I don't like tons of itty bitty pieces of paper, so I cut my worm vocabulary glue here page just in 2 big strips and just trimmed them up so they will fit in your science journal. And then I cut out 2 rows of these so far. And here's how I'm attaching them to my page. They're in alphabetical order, and that's your choice if you want to try to pay attention to put them in order by row. I just did 1 row at a time, so I cut 1 row off, cut 1 row out, see, and then I started gluing them down. So I'm on my 2nd row starting from the bottom, and this is how I do it. So I take this little picture and then I fold it a little bit where that line is. I've missed a bunch of times. So I fold that part down, and then I'm going to use purple glue so you can see. Then I glue right where it says glue here. See that little bit of purple glue? And then I just put where I folded on that glue. So I just do the folded part. See? And so it's a flap. So I can write inside there. Ta-da! So this is your first task, is to cut out and glue your vocabulary pictures to the flip so that we can make flip books. So cool. Okay, again, I do 1 row at a time. Cut out my guys. This one's got a little bit of extra white on the edge. So I'm going to trim it a little bit closer. Fold where it says worm vocabulary. Going to fold that over because this is the part. I'm not going to put glue on this one because I'm sloppy. And if I put glue on this, I'll probably get it on my picture. But I am going to put the glue where it says glue here. Okay. And then I hold it, when I glue it, I hold this little tiny strip I just folded, and that's the part I'm going to press onto the glue. And press that little bit onto the glue. See how all my folds are sticking up right now? I think that's going to be okay, because I can always push them down later. It's going to be fine. Okay, well, good catch, Clara. So I'm going to finish this row. Then I'm going to cut out 1 more row and glue it on the bottom right here. So I'm going to take this row and glue it here, and this row and glue it here. And I know some of you aren't very good at cutting. So, I wonder how easy. See, I cut the whole row out at once. And then there's little edges that I've trimmed. If you need help from your parents, you can get help. I get it. But do you think they should do your whole project? Probably not. Okay, I have a different strategy for you lazy bones. Let's see if this works. So I took the whole strip and then I folded it down. What do you think? Think it'll work? Well, I need these to flip. So I'm gonna cut up to my fold one slice. Be really careful, because otherwise you'll still have them everywhere. But this might be tricky. Hey, I'm feeling pretty fancy, you guys. And then glue all the way across where it says glue here. Okay, that. Let's see if that works. And then set those on. Make sure you kind of set them over the right little boxes, you know. Hey, that was slick, you guys. Check it out. The whole thing in one strip. Okay, so try it that way. I think you'll like it. I have one more strip to do. And then these are going to be ready to put in my science journal.